to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, how's everyone doing? I am so excited today to unbox my newest find. You guys know I am on a healthy weight loss journey and it's been going pretty well. I'm almost at 25 pounds. I was just recently on vacation. I'm doing Weight Watchers. For those of you who do not know, I'm doing Weight Watchers. I now have a nutritionist. I still need to film the video about that, and I can just share a few things with you as I do my unboxing. So you know I make smoothies. I had stopped for a minute because I was concerned about the sugar, but then I started doing more veggie smoothies and just add a little fruit instead of all fruit. So I'm back on doing my smoothies. So I normally use my Ninja blender. This is what I normally use. But while I was hanging out with some friends over the weekend, I found out about the Nutribullet. So you may or may not already have one. I don't know. But I'm going to unbox mine now and I'm going to show you. The reason I like the reason that I like the Nutribullet so much is because it's so smooth. When I make my smoothies in the Ninja, it's a little more chunky. So this is my Nutribullet. This is my Nutribullet, and I'm so excited. So I got the Ninja. I keep saying Ninja because I've been using it for so long, but I got the Nutribullet Pro. Bam! I got the Nutribullet Pro, and I'm gonna unbox it and everything. Let me show you one more time. The Pro. And this morning, what I'm gonna put in this smoothie is blueberries, strawberries, kale, okay, water, and my ginger paste. I still have to film the video. I'm gonna film it when I actually make it, but this is a ginger paste that my nutritionist wants me to use twice a day. Oh, there was a little water in it. Twice a day to help me with my digestive problems. So the ginger is very good for a lot of reasons. She has my husband doing it, but he's taking it for blood pressure. And he only has to do it once a day. So I am going to do a full video on the nutritionist and the benefits I have found. And what I've also found is that it's really free. I didn't know that you can get a nutritionist for free. So we're going to unbox it. Take it out the box right now and use it. So be patient. But I really wanted you to see this because it is so much smoother. When I do it with my Nutribullet, my smoothies, they are more grainy. But this Nutribullet is something else, guys. So this one is the Nutribullet Pro. Again, it's 1200 watt motor base. And this one comes with 2 cups and rings and all that stuff. I ain't really need all that. I really just wanted the Nutribullet because I have my own cup. But it's all good because it came with it. So this is the unit. So I'm going to be replacing my Ninja with this and leave this on my counter. So this is the actual unit. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. How y'all been doing on your plans and stuff? What's going on? I know the holidays are here, so a lot of people might be just putting everything on hold until January, and that's okay. You get in it when you get in it. Don't wait too long because we want our health to be good. So I guess I should have read the instructions and stuff before I start this. So this might have to be a 2-part. Oh God, okay, so I might not be able to show you the video today of the actual smoothie, but it has these suction cups. I love that. I just realized this, my friends did not. So it has suction cups on it, so as it's sitting on the counter, it won't slide and move, okay? It does have the 2 containers. This is the one you're gonna blend it in because it has the blender. And that's a nice size for me and my husband. That's a really nice size. I won't use it today because I need to read the instructions. I just realized that. So this will be a 2-part. I'll probably come back and put it all together after I read the instructions because I shouldn't just open it and start using it. But this is what it will go in. the materials, the fruit and everything. I was all prepared to show you that, but I just realized I better read it so I don't blow up. So anyway, that's that. And this is the extra cup that it comes with. That is a nice cup though. That is a nice cup if we need to ever take it with us. And it has some couple extra rings. And then this is a lid you can put on this one too. All right, so anyway, I will be back with the actual making of the smoothie once I read the instructions, okay? But today I just wanted to show you, ooh, that suction is good. Hold on. It really sticks to the counter. I wanted to show you my Nutribullet. All right, so I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I had to make sure I at least looked at the instructions so my husband looked at it too. So I wanted to show you though, these blades are super, super sharp. This is the base. Okay, this is the cup. It does have a max line to fill. So that might help me to quit going over, okay? So I'm gonna fill it up. And the power on this thing, we did a sample. Wow, it is amazing. It really is. So I'm gonna put some blueberries. I'm gonna put some blueberries. The power on this thing, I'm telling you, is amazing. So this will stop me also from making too much, because every day I make too much. Every day I make too much. So it'll either cause me to end up making two. That's my strawberries. One for him and one for me separately, which I don't want to do. I really like the convenience of my Ninja because it's bigger. But I love the... So I'm putting the kale in here. Hold on one second. Or it'll make me have to make two because it's not going to be enough. You see what I mean? Because the other one I made too much. So you can't win sometimes. So this is what it looks like. So I got the blueberries, strawberries, kale. And I'm going to put my ginger paste. Since we both are supposed to have it, I just put a chunk like that in there. I have to do the video on the ginger paste for you though, because I really want you to experience that. When I make that ginger paste, you use the whole ginger, the whole thing. You don't peel it or anything. So I've of course gone over the max line, so we're gonna see what happened. I'm gonna put some water. 1 second. Oh, and it does have a pulse button on here too. It has a pulse button. So once you start, you know, blending it or whatever, and if it doesn't blend enough, you can just hit the pulse button. So let's see how far did I go above the max line, because I know I did. Yep, I went above it. So I'm just gonna do it anyway. You guys know how I roll. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna put it in here. So we got everything going. I'm gonna tilt this so you can see it. Okay. You gotta push it down. And it will just keep spinning until you stop it. It's supposed to stop on its own. And I think that looks pretty good actually. And I'm gonna undo it. I'm gonna unscrew it. And again, be careful of those blades because they are so sharp. And I put this on really tight. And if you put too much in here, I'm sure it will get into your motor, and you definitely do not want that to happen. Okay, so this is my smoothie. Ooh, let's see, I need a cup. Let's pour it into something so we can see the finished results. And then we're gonna taste it. Ooh, look at that. So it's so much smoother than when I, It's so much smoother, and all that ginger is so good for my digestive tract than when I use my Ninja. So this was $79.99. I'm going to put the link for it in the description box. Again, I didn't buy this so you guys can buy one. I bought it for myself. But if you do buy one and use my link, I'll get a little something from Amazon. But I love it. You see how smooth that is? My other one, again, was more chunky. So I have to figure out too, will it stick with my body longer and process better because it's more liquefied and much more smooth? Or do I stay fuller longer when it's more chunkier, and which one digests better? So I will come back and do a little follow-up on that. Okay, if I can add it to this video, I will. If not, it'll just be a separate one. So I'm gonna see today, do I stay fuller? How does it process as far as coming out, running through my digestive tract? And I'll let you know. So again, this review was on the Nutribullet Pro 1200 watt, because they come as low as 600. The 600 is nice too. That's what my friend had, but you know how I do. I got to get the best in some stuff. And it was $79.99, and I know I'm kind of rough on stuff, so 1200 watt. All right, well, until next time, guys, I'm wishing you much success. This is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.